PowerGo, a brand new innovation that comes with the best charging technologies, offering an advanced charging experience. We've all been there. Our mobile device losing life just when you need it the most. Like when you want to take a photo when we travel, but our phone is out of battery. Or when you're rushing to a client meeting and working on the last-minute presentation modification. Your computer shows only 1% power remains. The next thing you will love is VOG Duo PowerGo. We have developed a leading-edge new power bank to make your life easier. For a fast charge of up to 18 watts, there's only PowerGo by VOG Duo. Synonymous with style and quality, VOG Duo has been a trusted name in creating innovative and stylish charging solutions. You can expect the same with PowerGo as it expertly balances portability and capacity. Incredibly powerful at 10,000 milliamps, it offers faster charging and recharging, up to 2 times a standard power bank. It features an integrated USB-C port so you can fast charge the latest devices. But it also has a USB-A port for your older devices so they can get their juice too, even when there isn't an outlet in sight. That means getting from 0 to 100% in as little as 2 hours. Perfect for people with absolutely no time to waste. The conventional 5 to 10 watts is no longer enough in this tech-savvy world. For a fast charge of up to 18 watts, there's only PowerGo by VOG Duo. Synonymous with style and quality, VOG Duo has been a trusted name in creating innovative and stylish charging solutions. It has smart LED indicators. Single LED means working at full recharging speed, and 2 LEDs means its working output is at full speed via power delivery technology. It also has built-in safety features to ensure that you and your devices stay in tip-top shape. No overheating, overcharging, and excessive currents. PowerGo is compatible with iPhone X and most iPhone and Android series. Go to school, attending meetings, go hiking, and have it with you even while working in a coffee shop. PowerGo is your best companion. PowerGo is a perfect companion for all of your devices and equipments. Whether for professional work or relaxing travels, you can power anything, anywhere, and your devices needs to stay powered up at all times. Running out of power in the middle of your task is not an option. That's why we designed this stylish and powerful power bank. Whether you go for rose gold or black, the PowerGo is designed to be a stylish, durable, and safe accessory. Whichever one you choose, what you get is a powerful new technology that delivers a faster charge and a happier life. PowerGo is the last power solution you will ever need.
Introducing August Smart Keypad, a convenient way to lock and unlock your August Smart Lock using unique entry codes. The August Smart Keypad is simple to set up, easy to use, and controls your August Smart Lock via Bluetooth. With the August Smart Keypad and August Smart Lock, you can leave the keys behind and lock your August Smart Lock with just one touch. Create unique entry codes for guests to lock and unlock your August Smart Lock without a traditional key or smartphone. It's easy for everyone to use. Unique entry codes for different guests allow you to keep track of who comes and goes. When combined with an August Connect or August Doorbell Cam, even receive instant notifications when your door is locked and unlocked. With August Smart Keypad, create unique entry codes for guests and never leave keys under the mat again. Smart Keypad is easy to use and doesn't require a smartphone to unlock your door. Use unique entry codes to keep track of guests. And enjoy convenient one-touch locking. The August Smart Keypad is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.
Fusion Lens is a compact and powerful lens for your smartphone. Unlike any other lenses, it's incredibly wide, creating a new horizon in photography. The anamorphic video is created by a dynamic algorithm, capturing light through a rectangular window in 23:9 ratio. This anamorphic feature delivers widescreen images, giving you a cinematic style and storytelling. Using the same technology, it empowers creators to take spacious shots, achieving an iconic wide-angle picture in 8mm equivalent field of view. Breathtaking wide shots in distortion-free perspective. Using the same lens, capture fisheye view with an adjustable field of view up to 210 degrees. It's 10 times wider than a native iPhone camera. 180-degree selfie video. Capture yourself with a spectacular landscape. Significant advances in dual lens design is to capture an impressive memory, 360 degrees. Create an immersive memory with 6K resolution. It's the best companion to capture a full moment without missing anything in the shot. Fusion Lens is the most powerful capture kit for an iPhone. Revolutionize the way we capture the world, taking us to a new era of mobile photography.